Good morning, guys. How are you doing? How are you? I hope you're good. So this is like a follow-up vlog from yesterday. Yesterday I had one of the worst days in my life, but I'm good, man. I woke up feeling happy, optimistic, got plans for the day. Yeah, and one of my plans is to make sure this video goes up, and I hope that comes to pass, because I've been struggling with that. I have videos that are just like nah, but I want to kill that negative vibe. So right now I'm in my rooftop. Yeah, nothing much. So I used to think it's dangerous going up these things. I don't know what you call them. So yeah, today I went to go to town. Yesterday, partly the reason why my day was bad is because I didn't have my laptop, and my laptop is like my everything. I had client work to deliver. I had to go to my friend's place to edit from there. So uncomfortable, man. So anyway, I want to go pick up my laptop, so I'm gonna take you guys with me. I hope it's going to be smooth. I need to make sure it works. The guy texted me, told me it works, but yeah, you know. So yeah, I really hope this vlog goes up though. Vlogging is strange to me, I won't even lie. It's even after working for a vlogger for almost a year, but I'm still new to the camera thing, not gonna lie. Time to go! I usually prefer sitting next to the window because, I don't know, just looking outside, I like it. And also, specifically for this video, I needed to take cutaway shots, but the bus was full, and if I opted to wait for another one, it will have taken maybe an hour or maybe 30 minutes, like a long time before it gets full. So I just decided to be sandwiched between these people. I'm in town now. So fun fact about town that nobody knows except for me, but you can Google it. When town was made, it has like a minimum deposit of like 9 billion people at any given time. It never goes below that. Trust me, 9 billion. You can Google it. I'm not even lying. This street has like 2 billion people, and then trust me, Google it. We're here. So thank God my laptop is working again. As you can see, I'm testing out the keys because some keys were not working. I also replaced the keyboard. My old keyboard didn't have a backlight, but this one did. And yeah, the service was pretty good. It took them like 2 days. And I don't even know what the problem was. So after confirming my laptop was working again, I still had a lot of time in my hands since I didn't have anything else to do. So I decided to pass by my friend's shop in town and say hi. And there, I saw something I've never seen before. So I met this guy who is blind, completely blind. He came to my friend because he needed help with writing a letter to, I don't know, a friend or something whose wedding. And this was one of the best things I've ever seen.
Wishing you all the best as you open a new chapter of your life.
As you open a new chapter of your life.
May this day be a memorable one.